Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels and I'm going to pick up something that I purchased for my birthday. I'm so excited to unbox this jewelry with you. It was on my wish list for quite some time, and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. Today I'm at Van Cleef and Arpels and my wonderful essay surprised me with the flowers and the champagne. I'm at home now and I can't wait to open the gift. I'm so excited. And I had to wait for this one for quite some time because right after Christmas, everything got sold out. Actually, even before Christmas. This is so nice. So sweet of my essay. She's the best ever. Okay, what else is next? And this is a chocolate. I actually like this chocolate from VCA and I love the packaging. It's so nice. Okay, reaching for the next item and I think it's a candle. And I absolutely love Van Cleef and Arpels candles. I have one and the scent is so nice. I'm a huge fan of candles and I have a few in my home. I love collecting different scents and especially from Van Cleef and Arpels. Let's look at this one. I really love this scent. It's so nice. Okay, next up, what else is in the bag? This is the receipt. I'm not going to open it because it has some confidential information. And this is the card. My essay gave me a card. This is so sweet. And also I was given a travel pouch, which is always so useful. And this is the certificate of authenticity with some information about the product inside. And I previously showed a similar one several times in my videos. And I also got a cleaning cloth that is so important for the item that I got. I will have to use it quite often because of the surface. I feel like I need to use the fabric on pretty much every stone except mother of pearl. I'm so happy that I waited and actually purchased it on my birthday because in the past I used to get items just because of the price increase. But nowadays I'm only going to get items just to enjoy them for me on my own timeline. I also like to take my time to enjoy my purchases properly and create beautiful memories, and it's just so much better this time. It makes a huge difference. If you watched some of my videos, you know that I actually featured this item in my Van Cleef and Arpels wishlist video, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I'm excited that I will complete another set and I probably will be using this so often. This stone is probably the easiest to style. It just works with everything and a black and gold combination is my favorite. And by the way guys, I previously posted a vlog about onyx where I talked about the features of this stone, the durability and how to look after it. And I will link down this video in the description box below in case you want to check it out. And I love this size. Vintage size is so beautiful. My first Van Cleef and Arpels earrings are in the magic size. And I was very tempted to get another pair in magic, By the way, guys, I have previously reviewed these earrings and the other ones from my collection. I will link down the video in the description box below. And I'm also planning to wear vintage size for a while and record a comparison video, magic versus vintage. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. I tried on the onyx in the magic size and I'll try to find the vlog with them as well. They look really gorgeous and I was so tempted. But I feel like with the necklace, I prefer the look of the vintage, especially in onyx. Mother of pearl is better in the magic size, especially if you have blonde hair, because it tends to get lost in my hair. But I feel like onyx looks great in the vintage size, and I love the fact that it is matching my necklace. It's so perfect. I used to think that onyx doesn't really suit blondes. I remember in some of my vlogs I even said that it looks too harsh on me, but I definitely changed my mind. I absolutely love it. It's so flattering and just so gorgeous. And this black and gold combination is so cool and edgy. I also feel like if I stack my 10 motif necklaces together, those earrings will match them the best. And in the past, I used to wear them with my frivole earrings in a large size. This combination is quite beautiful as well. And I have exactly the same ones in a small size. And I also reviewed this. I will link down the review video in the description box below. And I used to wear them with my guilloche earrings. I even recorded a few videos when wearing this. I actually love this combination. I did not like it that much at first, but I changed my mind. However, I still feel like the matching set is the best. And I know it's gonna be my most worn set. This size is so light and is perfect for a daily wear, and I know that when eventually we will go back to office, I'll be wearing them very often. Actually, last year I decided that I will focus on the items that I will wear as much as possible and for as long as possible. The cost per wear is essential to me. I no longer want to add items just in sake of collecting them. And of course, I want to keep the cost per wear as low as possible. By the way, I have been wearing the free motif earrings as well. I like to match it with the necklace. It's such a beautiful combination. Actually, when I was purchasing them, so many people told me that 3 motif earrings are too much. They are more suitable for evenings, but I don't think so. A lot depends on your outfit and the way you style it. And they actually look fantastic with a 20 motif necklace. I'll try to find a vlog where I tried it on and also add it in the description box below. I just absolutely love the combination of mother of pearl and onyx. Both are so timeless and wearable, and that's why I focused on collecting jewelry in these stones first. I also like when these two are mixed with the gray mother of pearl. 3 colors are amazing. Typically, whenever I wear my jewelry, I usually have only 2 items of the same type. So for example, either earrings and a ring, or a necklace and earrings, or a necklace and a bracelet. And that's why I will not be adding anything else because I think it's gonna be just too much. While I still like lots of VCA items, I feel like I'm getting closer and closer to VCA jewelry piece. Well, let's see. At least I'm quite happy with all the items that I collected for the past 3 years, and I know I will be wearing them a lot. Anyways, guys, this is it. I hope that you liked my video and found it interesting. Please consider giving it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!